Population. It is currently the most populated city in the country with 7,150,000. Urban area. The area of Bogota is the 107.36 kilometers. Average climate. It has a moderate cold climate with about 14 degrees Celsius on average. On very sunny days, the thermal sensation can increase up to 23 degrees Celsius. Bogota rivers. The rivers of Bogota are Arzobispo River, Bogota River, Fucha River, Brook Limas, Brook Las Delicias, San Agustín River, River San Francisco, River Tunjuelo. Malls. In Bogota, there are dairy malls like Calima Center Mall, Tunal Center Mall, Titan Plaza Center Mall. Culture and entertainment. There are many places to go like La Candelaria, La Puerta Falsa, Bogotá Ghoul Museum, Quebrada la Vieja, Monserrate, Septimazo, Zona T. Security in Mal City. There are many deaths in the city, and for me, the work of the police is bad in sometimes the police commit crimes too. Migration in my city. It is a problem because despite the fact that there is enough population in the city when foreigners arrive, coexistence is complicated because they are different ways of thinking and unfortunately many of them to commit illicit comic acts.